Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is mathetes. Dear friends, Eurene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is mathetes. The Greek word mathetes means disciple or learner. And it's a key term in the New Testament, particularly in the Gospels and the book of Acts. A mathetes is someone who follows a teacher, not just to gain knowledge, but to adapt their way of life. Master, disciple, teacher, student. Kaya nga yung tawag natin dati sa mga teacher natin, maestro, maestra. And their students are their disciples, mathetes. And one passage where this word appears is Matthew chapter 28, verse 19. It's Jesus commissioning his disciples. And I read first in Greek. Poryuthentes un mathetusate panta ta ethne. Go therefore and make disciples, mathetusate, of all nations. And this verse highlights the missionary nature of discipleship. That when you're a disciple, you just do not learn, you just do not follow. But following is also leading others to Him. Related English word, mathematics. It comes from the same root as mathetes, emphasizing disciplined learning. Mahirap yung math, di ba? Kaya kailangan talagang may disiplinado ka. Disciple, di ba? Discipline, disciple. And just as a mathematician deeply studies patterns and logic, in disciple, that student immerses himself or herself in the teachings of Christ. Being a disciple of Jesus means more than just believing. It requires actively following Him in daily life, deepening faith through Scripture, and guiding others in their spiritual journey. And so we ask ourselves, are we willing to be disciples of Jesus Christ? That's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.